Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Berkey, this is Jerry with Bensberg Technologies. Hey, we went out and saw your beautiful new house here in Camden, and we're so excited to be included in this. We put together a proposal. As you know, we are a security company, but we also are networking, audio, visual, among a few other things, automation. But so what we put together for you is something more of a network infrastructure slash security, including cameras. And so I want you to kind of walk through this with me for what we want to do for you, and just let me know if this is what you're thinking. We're going to send this to you as a full-on proposal. Of course, everything that we do can be edited and resent and things like that, but this is where I wanted to start. So first of all, let's talk about security. We've got the 2 gig edge panels with its dual path monitoring. So you'll have monitoring through alarm.com via AT&T cellular and also over network. This panel is a smart home and security panel. It's a 7-inch touch panel and very intuitive, very easy to use. And you can add up to 8 remote panels, which are identical to the original one, but they're basically just extensions of it. So we've added 3 remote panels. The first panel is going to be in the master bedroom, I believe, but that can vary according to whatever you want. But we want one in the office, and then one in the new garage that's going in, and then another one at the living room entrance. You're going to want a keypad anywhere that you're going to have entry when the alarm is set. So if you have someone coming in through the living room, they don't have to go upstairs to the office or into the master bedroom to disarm the alarm. So you've got a total of 4 panels there. And then we've got you 4 key fobs, basically, so you can arm and disarm and everything, and panic and everything via a key ring key fob. So instead of just smoke detectors, we've included the 2 gig extended range smoke, heat, and freeze detector. It's a 3-way detector. We've got 5 of those. One in the upstairs, one in the kitchen, one in the utility, wherever your electrical and or gas hot water heater, anything like that. We've got one allotted for that. And then, of course, shop, master bedroom, 5 different primary locations. Upstairs, at the top of the stairs, is all we have there that covers the whole upstairs, wherever smoke would rise. And then we've got carbon monoxide detectors, kitchen, and utility, that same location. And I believe, I'll double check, but I think the other one is master bedroom. No, I'm sorry, that's shop, carbon monoxide in the shop. We've got motion detectors in 8 different locations, basically in every space. Which is a small corner mount, very aesthetically, it just kind of goes away, passes out of sight in the motion detectors. And then we've got glass break detectors, very important in your house because the windows aren't very easy to pry open like a standard up-down sliding window would be. And you have some large glass, including the doors going out of the living room. They're adjacent from the fireplace, along with the panel window on the right. And so there's a lot of glass there. So glass break detectors, I think, are going to be a big part of the prevention in your house. And then, of course, we've got relatively inexpensive. We got the recessed door and window contacts for every door and every window that basically are just surface mount. They're not visible. But on the 2 primary doors at the front, those are it's not going to be possible to do a recess, to drill holes and do a recessed sensor contact in those doors. And so for those, we do have 2 surface mount in black surface mount door sensors there. Under that, we've got 2 of the Alarm.com. Now, Alarm.com and 2GIG are basically, they're not the same company, but they're made to work together. So the Alarm.com intelligent video doorbell is much like a Ring doorbell. However, it keeps everything in the same ecosystem. So the Alarm.com app allows you to view cameras, arm, disarm. You have full control through the 2GIG Edge panel. You have in the app. You have full control of everything going on with your house there. So the you've got 2 of the cameras, 1 master bedroom and 1 at the front door. And then you've got smart chimes for those that in 3 different locations of the house. The next thing under that is we've got 8 total of the 4K 4 megapixel. It's a ultra high definition turret security cameras. Those have a motorized zoom lens so that, and have an onboard recording. So with SD cards, those cameras, you don't have to have a cloud subscription or a DVR or an NVR in the house. You can pull them up via the app and go back and view recordings and events based on motion and things like that. And but those are, let me go ahead and show you what we were thinking on that. We want to put those are all outdoor. So we've got those facing, they're turret cameras, so they mount underneath the eaves. And we want to watch from this direction. We want to watch again from under the porch from here. And then we want to go up high and be able to view out from these directions and basically get a full perimeter of the house, and 2 of them to get a perimeter of the shop. And so that's kind of our goal, is to provide a complete perimeter view via the app or even the Edge panels within the house. All right, so right under that we've got the Alarm.com smart thermostat. I know you probably already have your heating and air guys doing thermostats for you. However, if you'll go with the Alarm.com thermostats with us, they will allow you to also view that in the app and automate your home temperature and things like that through the same app for everything. Underneath that, again, you probably have your guys already installing deadbolts and things like that. However, Kwikset makes a Z-Wave keypad deadbolt that will connect to your panel. So the panel is compatible with any Z-Wave device, so you can actually lock and unlock your door from the same Alarm.com app, or all of the doors. Actually, we've got 4 of them in there, including the shop. You can lock and unlock the doors, and you can even set it up so that your alarm is armed and disarmed from when you lock and unlock your door. So there's all kinds of automations that you have control of by using these products. So just under that is what we've put together to build you a good backbone network. I don't know if you already have a network being installed or if you're planning on installing it yourself, but this is what we would like to do. First of all, we would like to create a wireless bridge between your house and the shop so that you have full Wi-Fi capability within the shop. And then we've got ceiling mount access points throughout. We've got 6 of those to create full signal everywhere, multi-gigabit signal throughout your whole property there. Under that is, we've got, this should be 2 switches. We've got 2 switches here, and these are the TP-Link 28 port gigabit, so everything we're doing is gigabit, but smart switches. These are going to provide power for your cameras, but they're also going to bring everything into one network. So you'll be able to access any device from anywhere on the property that's connected within the network. Next is the router. This is a tri-band router with Wi-Fi 6 built in, or Wi-Fi 7, I'm sorry. And then we've got a rack tray to hold the router and things like that in a 6U wall mount skeleton rack. And then materials, labor, we're going to hit right at 30 grand. Just broke 30,000. Now that is full networking of your house and shop. That's automation and alarm and security cameras. So there's a lot going on in this proposal. The thing that we can even add beyond this, any Z-Wave device. So you're talking about lighting controllers. You're talking about just anything that you can automate in your house can be done. Your garage door openers in your shop, anything that's Z-Wave compatible can be integrated into this system via the Wi-Fi network that we want to establish and the 2 gig edge panel. So hope you can consider this. If you have any questions, considerations, or changes or anything like that, let us know. You can email me at jerry@bensberg.tech, or you can call us directly, 870-814-0714. And we can, if we need to tweak anything, we can. But basically, I wanted to start with this because this, after seeing your house, I just felt like this was the best way forward that we can help you with. Also, we're pretty keen on home theater and whole home audio and video. So if you need anything in that department, it looks like you're kind of on your way there. But let us be a resource for you in any of those departments. And if we can help you in any way, just let us know. All right, Mr. Berkey, I appreciate your time. Let us know how we can move forward.